Hey everyone, Alex here, and welcome back to the Employee Factory. Let's be honest, if you're building AI right now, you've probably felt the absolute headache of trying to wire a dozen different technologies together just to get a simple chatbot working. Today, we're exploring a cutting-edge framework that is completely changing the game. Say hello to LangChain, the ultimate toolkit for AI development. Think of it as the Lego blocks for building scalable, modular AI systems that can actually tackle real-world problems.
So, let's start with a big question. Why is traditional AI development so unbelievably cumbersome? If you've ever tried building large language model infrastructure from scratch, you know exactly how frustrating and slow it can be. You're constantly writing fragile, custom code just to manage API connections, set up memory storage, handle conversation state, and figure out how to pass data back and forth. It is just incredibly tedious.
And this brilliantly illustrates the solution. The traditional OpenAI SDK approach forces you to write 10 or more lines of complex boilerplate code just to make an API call, manage your memory, and handle your state. But by using LangChain's expression language, or LCEL, you achieve the exact same functionality in just 3 lines of clean, composable pipeline code. For engineers and data scientists, that is a massive 70% reduction in boilerplate code. It means you can stop endlessly reinventing the wheel and actually start focusing on high-level logic, building innovative solutions up to 10 times faster.
Here's our blueprint for today's explainer. We're covering 1. Meet the AI Lego blocks. 2. Agents versus static brains. 3. The LangChain architecture. 4. RAG and vector databases. 5. Tools and external APIs. And finally, 6. Building production-ready agents. We've got a lot of fascinating ground to cover, so let's set a fast pace and jump right in.
Section 1. Meet the AI Lego blocks. Building complex AI systems today isn't about writing massive monolithic blocks of code anymore. It's really about snapping together modular pieces. LangChain is an open-source framework and abstraction layer that acts exactly like those modular building blocks. It allows you to develop scalable, production-ready AI systems with minimal code. It gives you a unified interface so you can easily integrate multiple AI models and data sources without having to build custom integrations from scratch every single time.
Moving on to Section 2, Agents versus Static Brains.
To really understand why LangChain is a necessity, we have to look at how AI itself is shifting. Consider this quote: "An agent has autonomy, memory, and tools to perform whatever task it thinks is necessary." So the crucial point here is that we're moving away from passive systems that just answer questions and moving toward active, autonomous problem solvers that actually take action. A standard large language model, used right out of the box, is essentially a static brain. It's limited strictly to its training data and answers blindly based on what it memorized. But a true AI agent? That is a highly dynamic system. It maintains a memory of your conversation context, it uses external tools, and it actively reasons through multi-step goals to get a specific job done for you.
Section 3. The LangChain architecture.
Okay, let's dive into this. How does LangChain actually bring these dynamic agents to life? Well, it uses 4 fundamental AI Lego blocks. First up, model routing. This directs simple tasks to cheaper, faster LLMs, saving the really expensive models for complex reasoning. Second is memory and state, which manages the conversation history and tracks exactly what step of the workflow the agent is currently on. Third, RAG and vector databases. This is for retrieving your company's private, up-to-date knowledge. And fourth, tools and external APIs, allowing the agent to take real-world actions across different software systems. Now, one of the absolute biggest engineering benefits here is vendor independence. Switching model providers is incredibly easy. You can move your entire system from, say, OpenAI to Anthropic with literally a single line of code. There's absolutely no need to rewrite your entire backend logic just because a better model comes out tomorrow. Let's move to and see how this builds together through the LangChain expression language, or LCEL pipeline. It connects components beautifully in 3 simple steps. First, the prompt. You format the user input using a reusable template. Second, the model. You send that perfectly formatted prompt to your chosen LLM. And third, the parser. You convert the LLM's raw, messy text into a predictable, structured JSON output that your software can actually read and use. Section 4. RAG and vector databases.
So you might be wondering, how do we give our AI access to private enterprise data without it just making things up or hallucinating? Think of a standard LLM as taking a closed book exam. It's forced to answer strictly from memorized, often outdated training data.
But a RAG-enabled LLM, which stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation, is taking an open book exam. It actively retrieves specific, grounded answers from your private document vault right before it generates its response. This is exactly how you prevent AI hallucinations in a production environment. Let's actually trace this process for, say, a massive 500-gigabyte corporate document vault. First, chunking. You split those massive documents into smaller pieces, maybe 500 characters with a 100-character overlap just to preserve the meaning. Second, embedding. You convert that text into mathematical vectors using a model like All-Mini-LM L6v2. Third, retrieve. You perform a semantic search in a vector database like ChromaDB to find the relevant chunks. Fourth, augment. You inject that retrieved data directly into the prompt. And finally, generate. The LLM answers using only that specific grounded context.
Section 5. Tools and external APIs.
Having a great memory is essential, for sure, but a true agent needs to interact with external software to actually get things done. And this brings us to the Model Context Protocol, or MCP workflow. Think of MCP like a universal USB port for AI agents. Step 1. Discover. The LLM connects to an MCP server to map out exactly what tools are available. Step 2. Understand. It reads the schemas to know what inputs are required. Step 3. Plan. The agent decides which tools to execute, like maybe a flight booking API, and in what order. Step 4. Execute. It sends structured calls securely. And Step 5. Integrate. It uses the results from those tools to generate a final actionable response.
But listen, giving an AI access to your backend requires incredibly strict boundaries. Tools must act exactly like APIs with strict input and output contracts. You absolutely must separate your read-only tools from your write tools. Always rely on deterministic code validation. If an AI extracts a user ID, your code has to verify the permissions. And most importantly, high-impact actions, like issuing refunds or deleting files, absolutely require human approval gates. Never, ever let the agent do those blindly.
Section 6. Building production-ready agents. So we've got our building blocks, our memory, and our tools. How do we orchestrate it all? Well, while LangChain gives you the components, a framework like LangGraph takes over for advanced coordination. It handles the really complex, multi-agent systems. We're talking conditional branching, loops, and the persistent state required for heavy enterprise workflows. It basically ensures your data is routed perfectly between specialized agents.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how we evaluate these complex systems. In production, you need trace-level evaluations. You can never just evaluate the final text output because, hey, an agent could write a beautifully polished email, but it might have pulled the completely wrong refund policy. You must track every single step. Grade intent classification up front, evaluate your vector retrieval hit rates, measure tool call success, and constantly monitor policy compliance. Tracking every step is what separates a little toy demo from a real production-ready product.
To wrap things up, LangChain truly is the premier toolkit for developers and data scientists aiming to build scalable, modular AI. It completely removes the friction of low-level implementations so you can focus on the high-level logic and build up to 10 times faster.
Which it leaves us with a truly fascinating thought to end on. If LangChain gives AI the tools and the autonomy to use literally any software, what happens when the user of your next application isn't human? As AI agents become the new way of building software, we're designing for a future where apps are navigated by AI, not just by us. Definitely something to ponder as you start building. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, keep building, and I will see you in the next one.